I have grocery hauls, 2 weeks of meal plans, and we're gonna be cooking dinner tonight. Hello, today I am going to start off with my week 1 meal plan. This week we are having teriyaki chicken, grilled barbecue chicken, chicken noodle soup. I like to make that with rotisserie chicken. It just makes it a lot easier to put together on a busy weeknight. Grilled burgers, chicken croissants, and spicy chicken sandwiches. I am just discovering the stores that are around me, but I stuck with Walmart and Sam's Club. Those are the two that I know hands down, so I figure until I get used to the other stores, I'm gonna stick with Walmart and Sam's Club. We do go to HEB on occasion, so let's get into the grocery haul for week 1. All right, this is a very large haul, so I'm gonna try my best not to miss anything. So if I do, please forgive me. Okay, we're gonna start right here. This is sliced cheese, a tomato, a green pepper. This green pepper looks really good actually. Celery heart, a bag of shredded lettuce, a bag of baby carrots. We have some guacamole, eggs, need a gallon of milk, a couple small orange juices just to have on hand. Back here is bread. I've got the 45 calorie bread, some Italian bread, nope, French bread, not Italian, and then Wonder bread. We have some shredded cheese. I needed all of the butters, so I got my, I can't believe it's not butter spray, the sticks, and the bowl of butter. Some potatoes, cocoa pebbles, hamburger buns, mustard, ketchup. I have some P.F. Chang's teriyaki sauce, some low sodium soy sauce. This is nacho cheese. This is really good. Rice. This, I was asking for cheesy shells, but they gave me this. We've never had these before, so I'm excited to try that. Some Clausen pickles, pineapple, salsa. These tipped over. I have some sliced black olives. I've never seen this before either. This is a cinnamon and maple flapjack by Kodiak. Green olives, and then this is a jar of jalapeno slices. 2 containers of crescents. They didn't have the regular ones and they gave me the butterflake, which is fine. I think that'll work with the recipe that I'm going to be putting together. A couple of onions. I have lightly salted chips in the back. I have not had lightly salted chips since we lived in Michigan, so I'm ecstatic about that. And then I got some regular Santita chips for whoever wants those. I have some frozen mixed vegetables, blueberry pie. You guys, we have not had blueberry pie since we lived in Michigan. Amarillo, Texas never carried blueberry pie, so we are really thrilled about that. I needed some more dishwasher soap. I'm out of the Finish by Jet Dry for the dishwasher. The top just broke on here, so that's a bummer. I needed some hairspray. I used the number 3 by Tresemme. Oh my goodness, they have the big bags of the frozen noodles here. Up in Amarillo, they only had the small bags, so I'm excited about that. Pork egg rolls. I asked for chicken too, but they don't have chicken, so we're going to be looking for those. My sister Cassie told us about these. We absolutely love them. These are the Motor City Pizza Company. If you haven't tried them, you got to try them. This is a Detroit-style deep dish pizza, and then we also got a Supreme Detroit-style deep dish pizza. I usually get Cooper his liver bones. They didn't have them, but they did have the bacon and cheese flavor, so I think he's gonna like those. We cut them into, we want to start cutting them into thirds. We were doing halves, but I think we're gonna cut them into thirds. And then I found these. These are a health bar. It's baked with bacon, egg, and cheese. And then this one is some Sizzlers. It's a bacon style dog treat. His cookies, he's out of his vanilla ones. He loves the vanilla cookies. I would like to just buy vanilla, but I didn't see that they sold them. So he'll eat the chocolate ones too. So we got those. Okay, so we have 2 packs of chicken. Chicken is running a little higher here, unless it's just prices went up. But it is $2.68 a pound for chicken. And then for lunch meats, we got the 4-pepper turkey. We really enjoyed this. Hard salami and the Black Forest ham. We got some rotisserie chicken. This is the same price as what it was in Amarillo. It's $4.98 here too. Some Hint water and some bottled water. I am really excited about the burger. They have 90-10. We were having a hard time finding it in Amarillo, and so we're really excited that we have it here. And that is running $3.78 a pound. And then Jason has his unsweet Gold Peak iced tea. We have a big pack of toilet paper and a big pack of paper towels. Getting stocked up again from the move. Okay, this stuff is from HEB because this is the stuff that we couldn't find at Walmart. So they have, we're gonna try the HEB chicken egg rolls. I hope these are really good. And we have some little chicken nuggets. Cooper loves these every great once in a while. We have some chicken gravy, 2 of those. A little Hellmann's mayonnaise. Jason's wondering if Hellmann's is having some issues or something because there isn't any big jars of the Hellmann's real mayonnaise. And then we got this for, instead of refried beans to go with nachos, we got this for that. It's just the bean dip. Here is week 2 meal plan. This week we are having sesame chicken, apricot chicken, and then the rest of these are going to be in a video that's coming up soon. They are all Weight Watcher dinners with points, so be watching for it. This is our Walmart grocery haul for week 2. So at Walmart, we have quite a bit of refrigerator type stuff. I think that takes up a good quarter of this table. I needed some feta cheese, Velveeta sliced cheese, a zucchini. I just need a couple bananas. These are green, so I need to set these out. Some fresh mint, a head of lettuce. I needed 3, I think these are Gala apples. I can't remember, but I need 3 apples. Lemon, a head of cauliflower, and look how big this cauliflower is here. I am so excited. Our last house, the cauliflower fit into the palm of my hand. It was so tiny. This one is right. Yay. An onion, some baby carrots, fresh green beans, fat-free mozzarella and fat-free cheddar cheese, fresh rosemary and some arugula salad, little grape tomatoes, a lot of big tomatoes. I got a recipe coming up. You are not going to want to miss it. Eggs, and then Tim wanted to try this. It is the Mocha International Delight iced coffee. Doesn't that sound good? So we'll have to see what he thinks about it, won't we? Restocking my tuna fish. I get the albacore white tuna, and then apple juices, some brown rice. I'm out of my pancake cups by Kodiak, so I just grabbed one of those. These are so good. Justin got these before and we fell in love with them. They are an oven roasted almonds and they are dusted in like a dark chocolate. My. They're expensive, but they're really super good and they last a while. Some stovetop stuffing. Needed some sauces, Dijon mustard, Louisiana hot sauce, taco sauce, some sesame seeds, meatloaf seasoning, and some apricot jam. Freezer items, I was happy to find the turkey sausage patties. These are so cool. I didn't even know that they had this out. I was looking for cheddar cauliflower and come across this bacon cheddar cauliflower bake. So we're gonna give that a try. And then I got some cauliflower just to have some sprinkles, some fat-free cheese on the top of it one day. Skinny Cow, I got the pack with the vanilla and the chocolate ice creams in them. These are my favorite. I have not been able to find these burgers in months. I was so happy to see they had them. They're expensive. My goodness, they must have gold specks in them, right? But I'm not crazy about the one with the onions in them. I like just the regular ones, and it's so nice out here. I'll be able to grill. So I'm looking forward to these. And for household items, I have some milk and honey, a soft soap refill, and we needed hand sanitizer. I got to fill all my little hand sanitizer bottles that belong in my car. I only needed chicken from Sam's Club this week, and we saw that HEB had it on sale. So, I mean, we were gonna grab a couple packs of it, and they said they were out. Justin and Tim ended up running to Sam's Club and grabbing me 2 packs of chicken. I am so very grateful that they did that for me. The chicken is running $2.68 a pound. But moving forward, I'm gonna watch my HEB sales ad and I'm gonna see when they have their chicken back on sale. Tonight for dinner, I have made this meal before and it is sesame chicken. It is so delicious. This is one of our favorite meals. I keep it in a pretty steady rotation here in our home. It works easily with Weight Watcher points. I will have the recipe and then the nutrition will be in with the recipe down below the video. The ingredients for tonight's dinner is panko, salt and pepper, some sesame seed oil, soy sauce, I use the low sodium, and then sesame seeds. I'll have all the instructions, measurements, everything will be below this video. But in one bowl, I have equal parts sesame seed oil and soy sauce. And then in this bowl, I have some panko breadcrumbs, sesame seeds, and a little bit of salt. Mixing that up really good. I'm gonna take my chicken strips. I cut our chicken into strips, and I'm gonna take those and dip it in the soy sauce mixture and then into the sesame seed mixture, and then I'll put it on a baking pan. If you want to, the recipe says that you can toast up your sesame seeds. I did the first time I made this, but I haven't since, and it's just as good. I need to preheat my oven to 425. I am putting salt and pepper on the chicken before I start dipping them. I am making some rice to go on the side, or you can just put the chicken right over the rice. That's what I'm gonna do. Keeping it simple with instant. Another side, I am having egg rolls. Jason and Timothy are doing pork egg rolls, which are these from Walmart, and I am doing chicken egg rolls. We found ours at HEB because Walmart didn't have chicken egg rolls this time. This is what my dinner looks like. Pretty bland. I mean, you could totally add broccoli to it, but I forgot about it. Oopsies. I'll show you. Jason makes up a homemade sauce. Let me show you. All right, you gonna share your secret recipe? It's not secret, just kidding.
No, yeah, so I put about that much,
That's great, honey.
soy sauce.
Okay.
Then I put a little about that much, about that thick of hoisin sauce. And then I put about 3 or 4 drizzles of sesame oil. And then I add a little bit of sesame seeds. And then mix it up. Throw it in the microwave to melt that hoisin sauce. Kind of get it warmed up a little bit.
Okay, and this is to dip your egg roll into?
This is what we dip our egg rolls in.
Okay, and it's good?
Oh yeah.
This is a perfect meal if you're in a hurry and you need to get dinner on the table super fast. There's just a few steps to it and dinner is ready. I like to pair rice with mine. You can also do couscous or mashed potatoes, whatever you choose. Do you like grocery hauls? Well, I have 2 more right here for you. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.